views, got the people tuned in. These rides the channel when the engines ignite. Stay for the thrills, dog, look for the flight. These rides, these lines hitting the pavement. Every gear shifting, never feeling detainment. From the streets to the tracks, living life loud. In the car world, D wearing the crown.
Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Mikey and Mel's Cars and Coffees. That is in Fulton, Maryland. Today is a beautiful day, Saturday morning, roughly about 71 degrees out. And so we are gonna go around and just kind of check out any and everything that we can see, because there is a lot of cars here. Anything from imports, exotics, domestics, anything that you can think of, bikes, is here.
That's what I think.
Of course, we got another Z06. This one has carbon fiber wheels. I'm just too afraid of getting carbon fiber wheels, because if I scuff them, it's gonna be a bad day. So we got the Porsche crew coming in here. We got the Super Gang coming up in here. we have one of my favorite cars of all time, the SVJ. Like this wrap, satin green, and of course you got the carbon fiber hood. Got a good Viper right there. Of course you have another NSX C6. Got a Lotus. We got the monster truck out here.
Yeah, man. You want one?
Oh shit! I'm not gonna pass it up.
There you go, bro.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. What we got here? We got some Monster berry juice. That's funny right here. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
That's awesome.
He's an imposter.
Right.
We also have some May sponsors. I want to thank Alloy Wheel Repair and Proform Auto. Thank you guys for bringing out the tents, the cars. Check them out. They've got some cool services for you. For those of you that are wondering how to get parking here in the first 3 rows, then the second row is charity row. So again, you reserve your parking on Facebook. It's a $20 or more donation. And if you can also bring canned goods. And then our third row, our third direction. So we need to keep this orderly. This is, believe it or not, a private function. You are on private property. So we need to make sure that we are always welcome here. The story I was going to tell you is someone was coming in. I woke up at 4 in the morning to be here. Our volunteers are here at 6:30 to do this for you. So enjoy it, watch after each other. Back to DJI Osmo Pocket, and we'll talk to you a little bit later.
Once a year, that shit you rap about when we met, it wasn't there.
Can't skip out on my bikes. Yeah, man.
DJ Dang. Rich boys. DJ Dang.
It's amazing. I'm the reason everybody fired up this evening. I'm exhausted, barely breathing, holding on to what I believe.
Let's go.
No matter what, you never take that. No matter what, you never take that.
Rich boy. DJ Dang. Rich boy. DJ Dang. Rich boy. DJ Dang.
It's amazing. I'm the
Let's go.
So amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. It's amazing.
tripping.